Okay, so we got this situation. If tangent of this at this point where beta is positive. Now look at this. Here we have used two variable alpha and beta where beta is positive. They did not commented on alpha. So you know that y is beta. So can I say that x is beta square? So can I say that point P is beta square comma beta? Like what I did, I have converted our question into one variable. Okay. Now is also tangent to the ellipse this. So the tangent to this curve at this point is also tangent to this curve. Then find A. So who is A? A is x coordinate. Means we are interested in finding beta square. Okay. Now look at this how we will approach. So tangent of this at this. So this point alpha comma beta is on the curve y square equals to x. So can I go with t equals to 0? So it is y1 equals x plus x1 by 2. So this is our tangent. Okay. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this. They are saying that the same thing is also tangent to your curve, tangent to ellipse. So can I write this thing as like x square plus 2y square equals to 1. So this is tangent to this curve as well. So can I say that if I'll satisfy this thing, it will intersect at one point? So x square plus 2 times in place of y, can I write x plus beta square by 2 beta का whole square equals to 1? Just tell me. Till this part you guys are okay? Now, so we got x square plus 2 times a square plus b square plus 2ab upon 4 beta square equals to 1. Till this part you guys are, I hope you guys are okay. So this thing done. Now I'll multiply both side by 2b square. So we will have new updated equation look like, okay, 2 beta square x square, okay, plus x square plus beta power 4 plus 2 beta square x minus 2 beta square equals to 0. Okay, so we got this situation. Now you know that like it will have one common point. So can I create quadratic in x? So 2 beta square plus 1 x square plus 2 beta square x plus beta power 4 minus 2 beta square equals to 0. Now let's try to create quadratic in x. So we got things done. Now if this is also tangent to that curve, means we will have one touch. One touch means d should be 0. So it is b square minus 4a 2 beta square plus 1 c beta square common. So it is beta square minus 2 equals to 0. Okay. Now can I divide both side by 4? Yes. Can I divide both side by beta square? Because beta is positive number, so beta square will also be positive number. So I can divide both side by positive number. So we got beta square minus 2 times beta power 4 plus 4 times, wait, plus 4 times beta square minus beta square plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so this thing gone. Now let's divide by minus of 2. So we got beta power 4 minus 2 beta square minus 1. Okay, so we got this quadratic. Correct? Now if you'll factorize, it will become complicated. We want alpha, so here we want beta square. So don't you think you can convert it into, it is biquadratic, so you can write down b square as minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so it will become what? 1 plus it is 8. 8 means 2 root 2, so it will become root 2. 1 minus root 2. So you know that if beta is positive, beta square will also become positive. Correct? Here beta square is negative, so this should be rejected. So the selected value of beta square is 1 plus root 2. So the required value of alpha is 1 plus root 2. I hope the idea is clear.